Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. It is used condition and it works great. The battery lasts over an hour. So we'll start off with the lighthouses, commercial walls. They're in great condition. They work great. The batteries are not included with these. They do take 2 C-size batteries each. Got the charger here, power supply. Alright. Got the home base docking station right here. This Roomba and all the accessories have been cleaned and disinfected, so you get a nice clean Roomba. Got some manuals here, a quick start guide and some paperwork. Got 2 brand new filters right here. Got cleaning tool right here. Right. And got the brand new side brush. Alright, so here we got the Roomba itself. Yeah, some small maybe scratches, some scuffs, as you can tell from the video. And for any more details, you can take a look at the pictures. So I'll give it a little spin around here. Bumper area right here. Got the side brush right here. So the front wheel caster. The bristle brush and the beater brush. Closer look at how they look. So here's the serial number. Alright. Vacuum bin. Alright, I'll show you how it works. Just press clean. So it works great, has no issues, and the battery lasts over an hour. So it's a used item. Alright, thanks for watching.